From the Well, FROMTHAWELL.
I hope that was a cool shot, and I ended up locking myself out, so gotta go back in the fence. Go down, down, get up, go down, get up.
What kind of troops? They have tanks, horses, artillery. I wish I could help you.
This is where it gets real. I might need a new windshield wiper blade. Just saying. It's possible. But that's what I got right now in this heavy rain. So I hope I make it home okay. I just want my wife to know that I love her very much, and she's my everything. And to tell the little ones that I love them very much as well. If I don't make it through this car trip, my windshield wiper is flinging around like a whip. I have an Indiana Jones windshield wiper. That's a pretty cool cup.
From the Well.
From the Well.